Very good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach about the verb tenses. So, what is the meaning of tenses? Tenses means we are using it to talk about time. So, here verb means action. The action done in different times at different times, that is either in the past or the present or the future, this all comes under verb tenses. So when we talk about the sentence, if I say I am beautiful, which tense is it? So people may say that it is the past tense here, but it is a present simple tense. He or she or it, yes or yes, plays or goes. So for every present tense or present simple we are adding, for he, she, it, we are adding yes and yes. So it becomes plays and play. We are adding yes, and go we are adding yes. Present simple here we can see that yes, we have given a circle here where yes and yes is added for basic verb. We study English, whereas my sister is the third person, so watches TV. So here that if that consonant sound is there plus y, it become ies, study, studies. Suppose o is there, o become, we are going to add es. So yes, x, ch, sh, we are adding es. Watch, watches. Mix, mixes. Like that. So here don't and doesn't. So don't plus doesn't plus verb. So here it becomes we don't study. She doesn't study. So we are not going to change the verb here when we get don't and doesn't. In the same way, here we can see that um, a plus s plus v. So here we are going to ask do you study or does she study? So here automatically we are asking that a is action. So here a becomes verb do, and yes and we becomes here the verb. So here we can see the system of how the system is going on. So a plus s plus v. So a means that is do, s means that is she, and v is study. So s is the subject and v is the verb and a is the activity. Next we are going to study about present continuous tense. Here in the present continuous we are having am, is, are plus v. So for every v we are adding ing form. So when we talk here about that, here it is that we so here we are talking about we monosyllable, monosyllable, that is Q terminant N, one vocal plus one consonant per Doblan hence, and run is equal to running, swim swimming. So we do plus syllables. So Y consonant. Here we can see that the rules of the thing how we have to add are given here in this slide. So study, studying, play, playing. So when we talk about the use of I am, is, and are, we can tell that I am studying, whereas you are studying and he is studying. So I am not studying, you aren't studying, he isn't studying. So here A plus S plus V is equal to, so that is affirmative here. Am I studying? Or are you studying? Is he studying? So we're asking a questions to that, and A becomes that is asking questions, that is am, and yes subject, that is I, and verb, that is studying. So asking question is am, and yes is subject, and V is verb. Next here the simple present simple. The simple present is used for two main types of action. So what is that? First action is habits. So action which happens regularly. So for example, on Sunday, we can tell about frequency adverbs: always, usually, often. And when you talk about everyday actions like every day, every week, once a month, etc. And next we are using the action for present simple is states. Things which do not often change, it is opinion or condition, etc. Whereas the present continuous tense we are using is used for two main types of actions. That is a temporary action happening now, something which is going on right now, but it will stop in the future. Also yes. Here we also can see a definite plan for the future. So something we intend to do usually in the near future, also we use this present. Next, when you are talking about the habit, so you can see here that young Mr. goes to class every day. Here every day is a habit. It rains a lot in Vancouver. This means that it rains often. Santos always talks about his family. Always means this is a habit. So Jerry attends Christmas with his parents. This implies that he spends Christmas with his parents every year. States. So when we are talking about here, Binaka lives in Florida. So this is a state because it doesn't change. So icon Paul has red hair. Someone's hair color doesn't usually change. Martin likes chocolate. When we like something, usually we will always like it. Anna believes in God. Beliefs and opinions are states. They don't often change at all. So here, when we talk about the non-continuous verbs, stative verbs, there are some verbs that you don't usually use in the continuous form, just as in Spanish. Generally speaking, they are verbs that describe states and not actions such as these. Verbs describing through processes and opinions. Think, believe, remember, know, forget, agree, disagree. Verb describing emotions. Want, like, love, hate, adore, detest. Verb describing the senses. See, hear, taste, feel, smell. This does not mean that it is impossible to use these verbs in the continuous. It just means that it is unusual and would probably be very specific in a particular situations. These are all the non-continuous verbs that we use in our life. The frequency, adverbs and time expression. So here, how often we do things. So we tell that sometimes to our people, that friends, that we use this kind of word always, usually, so often, sometimes, hardly, ever, never. So um, these, if we talk in Telugu, always means ellappudu, usual means appudapudu, often, ఎప్పుడో అప్పుడప్పుడు, sometimes మీన్స్ వారానికి ఒకసారి ఎట్లా, హార్డ్లీ ఎవర్, ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి, నెవర్, ఎన్నడూ కూడా ఒక పని చేయకపోతే నెవర్ వి యూజ్ దస్. సో we are using these kind of adverbs before verbs or after verbs. So she often plays golf. So what does she play? Golf. When? How often? Often. So often is a adverb. So here next, after, to be. They are always hungry. So always is a adverb. So here, once a day, every day, once a day, week, month, then twice a day, week, month, 3 times a day, week, month, 12 times a day, 12 times a week, 12 times a month, like that. These are all called the adverbs. So at the end of the sentence, we use this kind of things. I do yoga twice a week. So temporary action happening now. So here we can say that John is winning the game. Right now John is winning, but the game isn't finished yet. It's raining outside. It's raining right now, but it may stop soon. Sarayu is working in the library. She is working there right now. Sita is spending Christmas. Sihai is spending Christmas with his family. He's spending Christmas with his family right now, this year. Maybe next year he won't. So let us see here some of the examples. What are you cooking? It smells. It is smelling wonderful. Which we use here. So in the same way, what time do you usually go, or what time are you usually going to bed? So these are the questions asked here. In the initial, we tell that here, what time are you cooking? What are you cooking? It smells wonderful. So in the same way, in this, what time do you usually, what time do you go to bed, like that. So these are all the answers for this. You can see that wherever the so wherever the it is the sentence is wrong, that vowel shaped things are put here. So we can see that the one example also here, past simple. In past simple, what we are doing that is that here we are trying to see that common consonants, or how that system of is used to talk about that subject V plus ed. So I played. Second, we are I sang. Subject plus didn't plus verb. I didn't play. Didn't sing. So did plus subject plus verb. Did you play? Did you sing? Here we use these kinds of things, the past and finished actions we use for that. And she visited the museum last week. So examples are given here. Time expression: yesterday, last week, last year, 2 days ago, in 2002, in 1980s, when, then. So we used here this kind of past continuous. When we are talking about past continuous, we are using was plus were plus be plus ing form. So here when we are talking about the subject plus was or were plus we plus ing, I was playing. And when we are using were, we are using you were singing. So when we are talking about subject plus wasn't plus weren't plus ing form, I wasn't playing and you weren't playing. So when we are talking about was plus were or subject plus we plus ing, so here we are using a question: was I playing? Were you singing? So a plus s plus v. So we have to remember that I, he, she, it is a third persons, and you, we, they. We have to sorry, for I, he, she, it, we have to use was or wasn't, and for you, we, they, we have to use were or weren't. So here time expressions. So when we are talking about while, as, then last night, last week, at 3 o'clock, so we are using this present past continuous tense. So here we are using that uses of that I was studying all day yesterday. I studied all day yesterday. Here while we were reading the newspaper, I was doing homework. So I was walking by the street when it began to rain. Past simple versus past continuous. So we can see the differences between these two kinds of things. Complete with a suitable verb. Last weekend, Kamala dashed to the cinema. So here we can went to the cinema to see the others. Didn't it like it because it was about ghosts and she is afraid of them. While she was going home with her friend late, she felt very strange. They heard a noise behind them, but they could not see anyone. It was raining a lot and there weren't any taxis on the street, so they decided to go home walking. The noise was still behind them, and while they were trying to see what or who was it, the lights on the street went out and they dashed means they were crying for 5 minutes. Do you know what happened next? Listen, dear, here is an article about how many words women use a day 30,000 and a man 50,000. The reason has to be because we have to repeat everything to men. What? Have plus we plus ed. Has plus I have worked. She has written. I have worked. She hasn't written. Have you worked? Has she written? A plus S plus B. Time expression. Ever, never, yet, just, already, lately, how long, for, since, in recent years. So here we can see that the use of how to use ever, never, for, seeing. Examples we can see here. Here, ever time expresses. Ever is interrogative. That is, have you ever been to London? Never means I have never seen a class like this. For that is, I have known him for 20 years. So here I have known her since 1994. I have just washed my hair. So already, have you already washed the dishes? Yet is a has the doctor come at? So I have eaten Chinese food and I have lived there for 5 years. Like this, we can contrast and we can see the meanings also. So here we can see that you go on holiday last year. So you can see the answer. Did you go on holiday last year? You ever go to England? So the answer is here. Have you ever been to England? I never try surfing. The answer is I have never tried wind surfing. So here Maria studied photography last year. Maria studied photography last year. Her teacher ever live in England? So the answer is has your teacher ever lived in England? So these are the answers for the things. So we also can choose the right. The boy won the judo competition yesterday. Won or has won? Won. And when did you return or have returned? So just if you read the answers here, we can see the answers for that clearly. So even a woodpecker vows his success to the fact that he uses his head. As present perfect continuous tense. You can see the use of present perfect tense. I have been working. She has been studying. I haven't been working. She hasn't been studying. Have you been working? Had she been working? Studying. So here these are the present perfect we are using of to be, has been, have been, has been, Here, time expresses for a year or since 2002, how long, all day, week uses. An action that started in the past and we still continues in the present. So, an action whose results are still apparent. I'm still tired. I have been studying all night. She has been working here for 2 years. So these are the uses of the past perfect. We can see the examples here. So here we can see the past perfect is I had worked, I hadn't worked. Had you worked? So had plus be plus ed. That is third. Here time expressions already, by the time, after, before, until, never, just uses. Let us talk about a completed action which took place before another action in the past. By the time we arrived at the cinema, the film had already started. So here past, present and future are given. Past perfect continuous. I had been, I hadn't been, had you been. So here for hours since last year, all morning, when, until, before, we are using this. So when we see that time expressions all morning, uses is that we had been driving for 5 years when we ran out of the petrol. So here there are a lot of questions are there, and I try to answer the questions by seeing one by one. So future. In future we are seeing that to be, going to as infinitive. Future do. Here that future simple will plus here. Next week I am going to celebrate my birthday. So here listen to the wind. It's going to be a storm. I think you will learn this very quickly. The window is open. Don't worry, it will close. The future continuous is future is to be plus be plus in. Here I will be studying, then I won't be studying. Will you be studying? So time expression at this time next, on Thursday, in the decade, use at this time, next year I will be studying here. That is that future perfect. Future how. So I will have studied, I won't have studied here like that. So uses is time here. You can see the uses of the answers for the everything. We can see that in the how to write the answers for the future. What letter of the alphabet is an insect? B. What letter of the alphabet is a part of the head? A. What letter is a drink? T. What letter of the alphabet is a body of the water? C. What letter of is an exclamation? O. What comes? So with this we have ended the slide. Thank you very much for all of you.